From the 1st of July 2019, the Australian Government is introducing a new and simpler Charter of Aged Care Rights for those you provide services to, regardless of the type of aged care they receive. The people you provide services to still have the same legal rights as all Australians. The Charter of Aged Care Rights add to these and are designed to help put the focus on the consumer, giving them choice and making sure they are treated with respect. This video aims to help you understand their rights and what your obligations are as a provider of aged care services receiving funding from the Australian Government. Let's go through all 14 of the new rights of those you provide services for. They have the right to safe and high-quality care and services. They have the right to be treated with dignity and respect. They have the right to have their identity, culture, and diversity valued and supported. They have the right to live without abuse and neglect. They have the right to be informed about their care and services in a way they understand. And they have the right to have access to information about themselves, including information about their rights, care and services. They have the right to have control over and make choices about their care, personal and social life, including where choices involve personal risk. They have the right to have control over and to make decisions about the personal aspects of their daily life, financial affairs, and possessions. They have the right to their independence. They have the right to be listened to and understood. They have the right to have a person of their choice, including an aged care advocate, support them or speak on their behalf. They have the right to complain, free from reprisal, and to have their complaints dealt with fairly and promptly. They have the right to personal privacy and to have their personal information protected. And finally, they have the right to exercise their rights without it adversely affecting the way they are treated. As a provider of aged care services receiving Australian Government funding, you're required to help those receiving your services to understand their rights and within the timeframes allocated by the Australian Government. Consider the tools available to help you, like those provided in multiple formats and languages by advocates like OPAN, including a video like this one made for aged care consumers. Sharing the rights brings a great opportunity to open up a new dialogue with those you provide services for, including their family, friends and carers. This can help you better understand their needs. The new Charter works together with the new aged care quality standards, also starting 1 July 2019 to support quality outcomes for consumers. While people receiving aged care have these rights, they may need to be reminded that others have rights too, including you. Everyone should feel safe and respected. They may also need to consider any existing care agreements previously made with you. When you give your consumer a copy of the rights, you must have signed it. This shows that you understand their rights. If they're comfortable doing so, we encourage aged care consumers to sign their rights. By doing so, they're showing you that they understand and recognise their rights. Consumers don't have to sign, however, and should receive the same care and services regardless of them signing or not. If your aged care consumer is not comfortable signing, or they have concerns about their rights not being upheld, they will be encouraged to talk to you, their friends, family or carer, or for independent help to contact OPAN, the Older Persons Advocacy Network, on 1800 700 600 or by visiting opan.com.au. Alternatively, they can ask for more information, give feedback or raise a complaint about their services with the Aged Care Quality and Safety Commission by calling 1800 951 822 or by visiting agedcarequality.gov.au. If you have any concerns about the rights of those you provide services for not being upheld, please discuss this with your manager. Or if you can't resolve the issue, you may anonymously raise a complaint to the Aged Care Quality and Safety Commission by calling 1800 951 822 or by visiting their website at agedcarequality.gov.au. Remember, if you would like more information or tools to help you share the rights with those who receive care, visit opan.com.au. The Charter of Aged Care Rights, proudly shared by OPAN, the Older Persons Advocacy Network, and quality aged care providers across Australia.